Most people know incognito mode exists, but many aren't sure what it actually does or what it doesn't do. Incognito mode is great if you're using a shared computer, signing into a temporary account, or simply don't want your browsing history, cookies, or site data to be saved after your session ends. However, it doesn't hide your activity from websites, your internet provider, or your employer or school. Now, here's how to open it in Helium Browser. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select New Incognito window. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open one instantly. A new window will appear with the incognito icon indicating that you're browsing privately. Any browsing history, cookies, and site data from that session will be removed when you close the incognito window. One useful tip: if you regularly need private browsing, the keyboard shortcut is much faster than navigating through the menu each time. And that's how to use incognito mode in Helium Browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.